In this problem, we're asked to condense this logarithmic expression involving natural logs, ln, which again means an assumed base e, using our properties of logarithms, the product rule, the quotient rule, and the power rule. So we'll begin this problem, again in the reverse order of expanding. We will pull in the powers using the power rule. So notice we have a coefficient 4 for the second log term and a 1/2 for the third one. So we're going to pull in the 4 and attach it as a power to the y, and pull in the 1/2 and attach it as a power to the z. And that'll give us the natural log of 3x minus the natural log of y to the 4th minus the natural log of z to the 1/2. Now next what we're going to do is, if you notice, the second and the third term both have a minus. So what we're going to do is factor out that minus to be extra clear, and inside we'll have the natural log of y to the 4th plus, because we took out the minus, the natural log, and instead of z to the 1/2 I'm going to rewrite that as the square root of z. It means the same thing. And now within that bracket, that is the two terms that remain after we took out the minus, you notice we have two log expressions connected with addition. And what we can do is use the product rule to condense them as one log expression. I'm just copying the natural log of x. One log expression connecting the arguments, the y to the 4th and the square root of z, with multiplication. And now we'll take the two log expressions connected with a minus, and we'll put them together as one log expression connected as using the quotient rule as a quotient. So inside of the natural log we'll have a numerator of 3x and a denominator of y to the 4th square root of z. Now I used a bracket just because it's so large. I guess I could have used a parenthesis. But we took the original log expression with three different log terms. We pulled in the powers, we factored out the minus so that we could clearly see that the second and third term are really connected with addition, so we used the product rule to condense them. And then we took the remaining two log expressions connected with a minus, used the quotient rule to condense them. So our final answer is the natural log of 3x divided by y to the 4th square root of z.